question is, there's currently a bill before Congress to require an audit of the Federal Reserve. Do you support an audit of the Fed? If so, why or why not?
Well, it seems like we've got consensus that the Fed needs to be audited. I would certainly support that as well. We know this, the last 6 times that the government has retained private accounting firms to audit major agencies in our federal government, the audit return was one word: unauditable. They were unable to account for money and expenditures. I saw something yesterday that indicated there were over $100 million in plane tickets that were not used, but for which the federal government decided they didn't want to go cash in and get the refund, all within the Department of Defense, a branch of service, a branch of the government that I know just a little bit about, $100 million. None of us would order to buy a plane ticket, not be able to make the flight, and not go use the credit that the airline was going to give us if we were willing to go fight the fight with them. We certainly need governmental accountability, and a good start would be auditing not only the Federal Reserve, but all of our major federal agencies.